Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Muazzam Manzoor and now I'm going to teach you the endocrine disorders. First of all, I would like to test your understanding regarding the endocrine disorders through the token of several questions. First of all, I would like to present you the options. A option is diabetes mellitus, B option is diabetes insipidus, C option is cretinism, D option is myxedema, E option is tetany, F option is Addison's disease, and G option is Cushing's syndrome. And first statement we are having is under secretion of parathyroid hormone results in 2. And the best response to this question is tetany. Right? Under secretion of parathyroid hormone it would result into tetany. इसकी जो डिटेल है, बल्कि इन सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस की जो डिटेल है ये अभी हम आगे चल के एक टेबल के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे मैं रीजनिंग को डिस्कस नहीं करूँगा, जस्ट मैं आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को टेस्ट करूँगा थ्रू द टोकन ऑफ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस. We have got another statement, under secretion of all hormones of adrenal cortex cause, and you know that under secretion of all the hormones of the adrenal cortex it causes the Addison's disease. So best response is F to this question. Another statement, cortisol excess causes, तो cortisol की excess की वजह से जो disease resulting है that is the Cushing's syndrome. We've got another statement, decreased hair, coarse skin and mental retardation are features of, basically ये features हैं of the thyroid deficiency in children जिसको हम specific name देते हैं cretinism का. So best response is Charlie to this question. We have got another statement, large volume of dilute urine is produced in.